Hello, and welcome to CommPeak. In this video, we're giving you a quick tour of the DID management section, which is the all-in-one space for anyone working with virtual numbers. You will learn how to navigate the DID management interface, the specific function of each of the 5 management tabs, and how to select the correct tab for specific configuration tasks. To begin, log into your CommPeak Portal and expand the DID section in the left-hand menu. Then click Management. You'll land on the DID management page, which is split into 5 tabs across the top. Let's walk through each one so you know where to go for what. My DIDs is your inventory dashboard, a detailed table of every virtual number under your account. You can check its status, renewal date, forwarding configuration, linked identity, monthly fee, reputation status, and tags. From here, you can perform different actions on the selected number. For example, configure call forwarding to SIP accounts, voice URIs, or mobile and landline numbers. Enable or stop auto-renewal. Define SMS delivery. Manage tags and notes. Place a test call. Activate the maintenance mode. And create a request to cancel the number. Or even manage multiple DIDs, all in one place. Voice URIs is where you create and manage SIP-based routing profiles. These profiles define where incoming calls on your DID numbers are forwarded using a SIP URI, ideal if you're routing to a PBX, SIP trunk, or external server. PSTN Forwarding lets you forward incoming DID calls to a regular landline or mobile phone. Great for situations where someone needs to receive calls without any VoIP infrastructure. SMS Delivery is for managing inbound SMS messages on your DID numbers. You can configure delivery profiles to forward those messages to an email address or to the CommPeak TextPeak messaging platform. And finally, tags, where you can create custom labels and assign them to your DID numbers. Tags can help you organize large inventories and simplify searching and filtering. Check the description below for links to the follow-up videos that provide technical instructions for every tab. See you in the next video.